Alright, I am so excited. I got Topps Finest 2013 box today, the card shop, as well as Topps Chrome hobby box, and then also in the back there, some Archives baseball, trying to fill out my collection of that. Almost had the full set. And picked up my pre-order of Court Kings. So, a fun day. So, the first ones I want to do are Chrome and Finest. And I promised my wife I'd wait on her to do Court Kings. She wanted to see it. She liked to look at the cards. I love Finest. I'm going to do Chrome first and save Finest. So let's go ahead and do Chrome, and then we'll do Finest. I'll do them both on the same video. So make sure I'm not bumping the camera off the table. Alright, it's Chrome. It's my second hobby box of this. I liked the first one. It's a lot of fun. Didn't get like awesome players in it, but got some real cool cards. So I'm gonna do another one here. Let's see what I get this time around. I still don't remember what the parallel sets are, because I got a good one and I don't know. Oh, and a CP and a CP rookie. So Cordero times 2. Just keep that with the regular. 2 kinds of retros on that, and I can never remember what year they're modeling. David Amerson refractor. Ooh, there's the autograph already. D. Milliner on-card auto. Yeah, he practically went off with a card on that. Might have by just a smidge. Wow. 465 out of 600. D. Milliner on-card auto. Well, I guess that's the auto for the box, unless I get bonus hit. That's what, 3 packs in and I hit it already? That's kind of womp for the rest of the box then. Maybe I'll get some nice parallels. Last time I hit that Gallisli, so now I got a Gallisli and a Milner. Those are my 2 autos that I hit, but the Gallisli was out of 50. So it was a nice blue. Terrence Williams, tall boy. Got a Chris Long out of 260. 108 out of 260. Chris Long refractor. Barkevius Mingo rookie. So DJ Swinger, non-numbered refractor. And a Jamie Collins non-numbered refractor. The DJ Swinger base behind it. Tyler Wilson refractor, non-numbered. Luke Joeckel. It's a wonderful picture. And Justin Hunter. Retro. Parallels. I got a camo Matt Schaub. Woohoo. Won't see that anymore. It's numbered 304 out of 499. Stedman Bailey refractor. Matt Barkley die cut, non-numbered. $4,000 Club, Josh Freeman. First one of those I've pulled. Deion Jordan Mini. Kenny Vaccaro refractor, non-numbered. Tony Jones refractor. Cody Hamilton, okay. That's first Bengal I've seen. Full box. Oh, and then another Bengal. Rex Burkhead. Ooh, it's a blue. Blue Rex Burkhead. Cool. Very nice. Spools. Let's see, funny. Le'Veon Bell mini. CP refractor. CP City. That just sounds kind of bad. Cordero Patterson City. Te'o Retro refractor. Three more packs. Freeman in his old school. Throwback Bucks, Gavin Escobar retro. All kinds of retro refractors in this one. Phillip Rivers black. 151 out of 299. Last pack. Come on, Super Tractor. Nope, but we do have a Kiko Alonso blue. And that is number 190 out of 199. Does look like it has a, I don't know if you can see, a scratch. To note that. Can you see that? Got it on manual focus. Let's see if I can focus on that spot. See that? Yeah. It's nice. So a couple nice colors right there at the end. I guess I should have stacked the packs differently. I would have had some nice colors at the beginning and then hit the auto all the way at the end. So, B. Milliner auto. We got Kiko Alonso blue, Philip Rivers black, a Rex Burkhead sapphire, or blue wave, I guess, blue wave. Josh Freeman 4,000 Yard Club. I'd love an auto one of those. Those are cool. Die cut of Matt Barkley. A camo of Matt Schaub. A X-Fractor of Chris Long. And then, let's see here. Sort these real quick. Oops. I can sort properly. So here's those two refractors from that style. 3 minis, one of them's a tall boy. Got Teal, Escobar, Justin Hunter, and Goodwin for that one. And then all these refractors. So that is our Chrome box. Move that over here. And I can do Finest, which I know I'll get some good stuff. And Finest. I've never broken one of these personally, but this is one of the first breaks I bought in. And one of the first breaks that I bought into, I actually hit a Eddie Lacy, Giovanni Bernard numbered to 10. And I sold it real early on, and probably could have sold it for a lot more now. Maybe double what I got for it back then, but it was a dual patch, dual auto. It was real nice. But hey, it got me started down the road. Or the bottomless pit, however you want to look at it. So I've never done one of these, so I don't know. So there's a real thick one. I can't tell the other box. I assume it's the bottom one, right? And that feels like there's, I don't know. I don't know. Might be this one. That one feels kind of heavy too. But I'll just put the bottom ones there, because I think that's how it works. Alright. Finest! Who loves Finest? I love Finest. So sweet looking. Giovanni Bernard. Ricky card. Ball and Cordell Patterson. Oh, that one's a refractor. James Jones refractor. I don't think any of these are refractors, are they? Oh, yeah. Devin Ridley is a refractor. And the rest are base. Did I tilt the camera somehow? Guess not. I'll just have the cards closer. Because I got more stuff on the table. What am I doing? Alright. Going loopy. Crabtree. There's a. I gotta put this base on this side. I can't be crossing over every time. Demaryius Thomas, X-Factor, I believe. Let's get that design. Miss Welker. Cody Hamilton. Alright, so that's the first mini box, regular packs. And this is the one that I wasn't sure. Let's see. I don't know if that's regular. Alright. Dalton. All kinds of Bengals. Tavares King. X-Factor. Jim Graham, LaShawn McCoy, X-Factor, or just regular refractor. Dustin Hunter. Davis, Stedman Bailey. Anti-tail, refractor. No atomics or anything. No bonus hits. Doesn't look like. Alright, let's do this one first. This is the smaller one. Antonio Holmes, Kyle Rudolph, Tyler Eifert. That's it. And Vic Ballard, 8 of 50, gold, jersey auto. Vic Ballard. So that can go with my other Vic Ballard card that I can't seem to sell from National Treasures. I've got 2 Rick Dollar cards numbered to 50 if anybody's interested. I'm getting to you in a lot. That's a thick card. Oh, we got Des Bryant, Darren Sproles, Terrence Williams, Christine Michael, and Robert Woods, silver. Patch auto, just regular white patch. Alright, so those were not as amazing boxes as I was hoping they would be. Makes me want to go back and grab the other 2 that they had on the shelf. The finest in chrome. But still a fun break. Hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll probably do Archives Baseball here in a little bit and upload that as well. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you want to see. If there's any product you want to see. If there's any videos I can find. I mean, I got a good mix around town. Some old school stuff, new stuff, other sports. Like, I'll break it and put a video up for you. I just like opening stuff and seeing what's out there. So let me know. Thanks for watching.